What's up, y'all? Okay, so I just got an email to go visit a toy store in Atlanta. Now, first of all, it's Black woman owned and operated. But my favorite part is that it specializes in STEAM education toys for children. That's science, tech, engineering, arts, and math. And a lot of the toys are culturally affirming. No, like seriously, they have books that can teach your children Mandarin and German and Spanish and French. Terry, the CEO, reached out to me personally, and y'all know I love the kids. So I had to go down to the Brown Toy Box and see what they was talking about.
Child, let me make my way on to this toy store. Christmas coming up too. Christmas is coming up. Y'all keep having all these kids, so I got to buy these kids something for Christmas. I'm going down to the Brown Toy Box. Oh, you're so cute, baby. So first thing I noticed when I come in is this really sweet doggy, and y'all know how I feel about dogs. Oh, you're such a beautiful baby. Oh, yes. Oh, my gosh, yes. I would love to play with you, sweet baby. You're so cute. This is Rocky Balboa, guys. So if you come over and he's here, you might be greeted. Just know. Well, I just love you so much. I do have to work. But I know. I'll play with you again in a second. Toto gonna be mad about this. Okay, so after being greeted by the dog, that was probably the best part of the visit. I'm not gonna lie. But this is Brown Toy Box. It's Black owned, and it's basically educational learning tools. So, I mean, if you have small kids, obviously, I mean, this is probably where you need to be. They do have some of the traditional, Minecraft, Hot Wheels, Pokemon toys, and things like that. But they also have stuff like a coding and app development game for kindergarten and up. Like you're not getting that anywhere else. So I think that you guys should stop in. I'm gonna take a look around. I might get something for my nephew. He's 8, and I know that he would love this stuff. Look at the NASA. Y'all, look at the astronauts and the diversity. Representation matters. Getting some of these, absolutely, with the finger paints. Create bath bombs. Oh no, that's dope. That's dope. Okay, so she's a chemist. Shout out to the black chemists. Well, you gotta have the black Barbies. I don't care what the Barbie doing, the Barbie got to be black. So, I love a good black Barbie. Y'all, this is so dope. So it's basically STEAM and play in a culturally affirming way. That, I ain't gonna lie, the little black girl in me is teared up a little bit. Because when we were kids, we weren't told that we could do all types of stuff. We didn't know nothing about being a zoologist or an astronaut or anything like that. All those things were out of reach for us. So the fact that this company has created things for really children of all ethnicities and pretty much all ages, it looks like the Sound Lab. Now this probably would have been right up my alley. You know how much I love music and stuff. Y'all, they even got like emotional intelligence stuff and yoga stuff and mindful kids stuff. Some stuff with the animals. A pop-up toaster set. Look, the baby chef's in training. They really got everything. Barbecue. Now, if I see somebody's son out there with them grilling shoes on and an apron, I'm gonna know something. It's really just made my whole day to know that this place exists. I love a good Lego. Okay. Y'all, they got something for the bilingual babies. He just told me they sold out of the Spanish ones, but you can get some flashcards for your children to learn Vietnamese. Imagine having a baby that already speaks French by the time they're 5 years old. If y'all don't come down here and get some stuff for y'all kids, Mandarin, imagine your kid wants to do a summer abroad. This is the way to go. You start them early, start them young. I don't even have no kids, but I love the babies. So my nieces and nephews, they gonna be good to go. All my friends got kids. This is where I'm coming now for Christmas. If any of y'all need some gifts, just know I came down to the Brown Toy Box in Atlanta, okay? Period. Representation is so important. The fact that they have done this is so affirming for me. I mean, I'm 36, but I still think that this is thebomb.com, and I will be coming back and showing everybody that this is where they need to be coming to get the kids' toys. Christmas is coming up. You need some place to shop. This is where you need to be coming. So yeah, come on by and tell them that I sent you. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Y'all make sure y'all come down to Brown Toy Box in Atlanta. You will not regret it.